Parents are always precious, and surely loss of a father figure is a very grave loss. Jill Duggar paid a wonderful tribute to Derrick's dad on her Instagram, by posting his rare photos with her husband, Derick Dillhard. Jill captioned the photos saying, "10 years ago tonight, my hubby lost his amazing dad." Derick had just started his second semester at Oklahoma State University, when his mom and brother showed up at his dorm room the morning of the 18th, to tell him his dad had passed away suddenly during the night. "We miss you terribly, Dad, and look forward to seeing you one day in heaven. You never know when a day may be your last, or someone else's last day on earth. Don't wait to give your heart and life to Jesus, and make sure to share his hope with others." Derick's father, Rick Dillhard, passed away 10 years ago, and Derick paid loving tribute last year by posting this photo, along with a caption reading, "9 years ago today I said goodbye to the greatest man I knew. The greatest, namely, because he taught me in word and deed about Jesus Christ. He protected and served the public as a police officer, and he loved God and his family. His time came sooner than expected, but I know he would have loved being Grandpa Dillhard to little Israel too. He is my dad, and I look forward to seeing him again on the other side of eternity." We leave you with some memorable moments of Derick's dad, posted by Jill Duggar.